I'm here to show you how to place scrap yarn for either an Afterthought thumb, or you can use it for an Afterthought heel as well. This pattern is the Cloudberry Mitt pattern, and I'm going to be placing scrap yarn for my Afterthought thumb, and it's going to be over the next 7 stitches. So I have chosen a piece of scrap yarn that I've cut, and it's about the same thickness as the yarn that I'm working with, in a contrasting or a different color than the yarn that I'm working with, so that I can identify where that scrap yarn spot is. So I'm going to go ahead and just knit in stockinette stitch over the next 7 stitches, keeping my tail in front so that when I go to pull out to actually put the stitches on the needle, I have the tails in the front where I can work with them. Okay, so I have worked the 7 stitches in stockinette, and now I'm going to go ahead and slip those stitches. Oops, before I do that, it might be easier if I put my other end of my yarn. And this is just my scrap yarn that I'm transferring from the right hand needle to the left hand needle. And this is, like I said, great to when you want to put in an Afterthought thumb, and you can also use it for an Afterthought heel on socks. Okay, so then I go ahead and knit in pattern, whatever your pattern is that you're working on. You would go ahead and knit across those stitches again in pattern. And so I would go ahead and work these. I'm going to go ahead and interlock my floats here so I don't have long floats. And then I will show you what I have here when I'm done. So I would continue to work on in pattern. If you look here, we have our scrap yarn placed for our Afterthought thumb. And this is a great way to place the yarn. It's super, super simple. And then you can go back and do your thumb after your project is finished. Hope this helps.